Hey guys, what's going on? So I just wanted to quickly update something real quick before you move on to the next section where you start learning about, the first concept of Python, which is printing anything. Uh, you know, Recently there was an update on Udemy where they allow us to actually give you a coding exercise, which is really awesome because now what I can do is that I can create coding exercises and add it to each lesson, and you guys are going to be able to actually use these coding exercises to practice your skills. So it's really awesome. I'm making a few. I just wanted to make this update to let you know that there are coding exercises throughout the course as well, on top of the other places that we are going to code. So it's going to be really fun, and you're actually going to be able to use these codes to actually practice your skills and all that. So it is really cool, guys. I'm excited. So that actually adds a lot more opportunities for you to practice all these skills that you're going to be learning in this course. So let me know if you have any questions. The coding exercise is actually pretty simple, and you can actually just go through them and all that stuff whenever you come across it. So let me know if you have any questions, guys, and let's get started. Let's go to the next section and start talking about coding and how to write something like hello world in Python and like all the cool stuff that you can do with it.